I'm in the mood for a sandwich.
Oh, well then why don't I make you one that's named after a famous count?
Ooh, like Count Chocula?
No, I was thinking more in the lines of a European count.
Oh, well, Count Dracula.
Well, that would be one sandwich that would really suck.
Oh, my. That was a stretched out long
The humor just keeps coming, doesn't it? It never stops. Or does it really even begin? Welcome to How to Feed a Loon.
Hi,
I'm
everybody.
Chris.
And I'm Wesley. The Count de Monte.
Count Loon, whatever.
Loon.
He's sucking the life out of this,
Yes,
that's
let's
for sure.
do it. Beat
So
it like a
welcome.
dead horse.
But we are going to make something that is going to make you be so glad to be alive.
Oh, yes.
We're making one of the greatest sandwiches of
My
all
favorite
time.
sandwich.
His favorite. It's my favorite. Everybody loves it. It's a Monte Cristo. Okay, so let's get
do
going
it,
on this
please.
incredible Monte Cristo.
Yes,
so,
I'm hungry.
It starts off with, I love to use a good sturdy bread. I've got sourdough. It's really good. You can use a
love
nice
sourdough.
country white. And this is actually a sourdough that is used for making paninis, so it's a little on the thicker side. I think that's perfect.
It's perfect.
So this is, we're going to start building the sandwich. Now, a lot of times, the Monte Cristo is sort of, well, it's an ancestor, a close ancestor to the croque monsieur.
Oh, croque
Which,
monsieur.
yeah,
Monsieur,
yeah,
yes.
which is really a spectacular French sandwich, which
Monsieur.
is like a
Monsieur.
grilled
Monsieur.
cheese with obviously with cheese and ham and all kinds of stuff. But this we're going to amp it up, and we're going to do this like it's French toast.
Yes.
It's really, really amazing. So let me tell you, I'm soaking this up in
And that's
here.
the Monte Cristo. That's what makes it a Monte
That's
Cristo.
what makes a classic Monte
Yeah.
Cristo. Yeah, yeah. It's basically fried in egg batter.
See, now
so I'll tell you what this is in
Can
just a moment.
Can I say what this is while you're doing that?
Yes, you can. I've got a skillet over here over medium heat. Let me just tell them about this. The medium heat, I've got a tablespoon of some vegetable oil, and then about 2 or 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, just because I like to mix up my fats.
And you can get this recipe, all of the exact measurements on howtofeedaloon.com.
That's right.
Now, this is a French toast batter that I actually have made really, really well in the past.
Okay.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
It's milk, eggs, cinnamon, vanilla. That's it. And you squish it all together.
Yeah, yeah. So there's 4 eggs, like a quarter cup of milk, some cinnamon, and then some vanilla extract. And I want to tell you about this vanilla extract
yes,
that
I
I've been
love
using.
this one.
We have some really, really dear friends named JC and Michelle. And Michelle is an amazing cook, and she made me some homemade vanilla extract.
Let me give it a
She
whiff.
did this in her Instant Pot. I think I know.
She did?
She did. I've got to find out how she did it. Because
That's crazy.
It's so good. She also did
Ooh.
peppermint
That's
extract.
what
She did cinnamon extract. So anyway, maybe I'll get that recipe and put it on the blog. But anyway,
good.
Michelle, this is awesome. We love it. Okay.
Thank you.
So anyway, all right. So this is going to be the center piece of this beautiful
Ooh, look at the French
sandwich.
toast.
Okay, and I'm going to crank
Usually
this heat up.
when I make my French toast, you're basically deep frying.
It is like a deep fry. All right, now we're gonna really start to construct this sandwich. We wanted to
Let's construct the
continue
Monte
to,
Cristo.
That's right. Come on, Monty. So we're going to put this piece of bread in here. I've already put a layer of mayonnaise and a nice layer of Dijon mustard. That's very classic in the Monte Cristo. Now I've got some Gruyere cheese. I'm telling you, this Gruyere is
It's so good. It's such a good melting cheese.
It is. It's so flavorful. It's a Swiss cow's milk
Yeah,
cheese,
and
but it's used a lot in French cooking.
Because
and
its richness is so good.
And it goes perfectly with this. Okay.
Yes.
So now we've got some kind of thin, but not too thin and not too thick smoked ham that we're just going to stack right on here.
Yes.
And I like it good and loaded. So however you want to do it, I kind of do it in pieces so it has.
But
equal.
make sure that it's not so thick that it doesn't cook, that it doesn't get
Yeah,
heated
that's
through.
true. I mean, you can do that. I mean, you have so much fun making these that you almost overload them,
Yes.
and then they don't cook through. You
That's
want it to
looking
really
so good over there.
cook it like it's a French toast.
That's-
Okay,
I actually, and then I'll let you. What do you got to do now?
we're gonna put this middle layer. See, I wanted to
Is
go.
it good and done? The middle layer.
I don't know what you mean by good and done. Yes, that's good and
All right,
done.
all right.
That's how when I bring him like a beautifully cooked steak, he'll say, "Now is that good and done?"
That is so not
No,
true.
Wesley,
I
I'm
don't
certain
say
you-
good and done.
Well, yeah. It's usually not that grammatically correct. But anyway,
So people at home must think, wow, that Wesley, he must have some thick skin. Do not say anything.
I'm just going to keep making my Monte
Oh, look
Cristo.
at that. So you put that on top of...
Yeah, because you're not really being able to do
Oh.
that when it's in the middle. That's
Yeah.
why I love doing this.
Oh,
Okay, let's
that's a
keep on
trick.
moving.
I didn't know that.
It's a trick of the trade, I tell
That's
you.
right.
All right, now we've got some amazing smoked
Turkey.
turkey. Some people use chicken, but it's
No way.
usually a combination. Ham is always
Always.
there, and and then usually another protein. And I just think the smoked turkey is about as good as they come.
It's so
Okay.
good.
Now we got to get this
Now
on
we're
here.
going to get the other side on there. Is that good enough? You have enough cheese
this
there?
is another layer of bread that's got the Dijon and the mayonnaise
Now
on
make
there.
sure you don't put the Dijon on the outside and think that you just buttered it.
Yeah.
Because I would do that.
Boy, would that be terrible. Okay, so now we've got this, and it's a little messy,
It's
but
a
that's kind of
big,
what
lovely, fantastic
sandwich.
sandwich. Now get that thing in there. Woo!
Yay!
I can't wait till this one flips.
Well, you always flip every time I make it for you.
I'm going to clean up while you're cooking that.
So we
Can I
use-
tell them the first time I'd ever had it?
I was just
Can
about
I tell
to. Yeah,
y'all?
please,
Can
please.
I please?
As this cooks, let us share a little bit.
Let's
with
share
you, would you?
with our audience. I actually, the first time I had a Monte Cristo was in the Village at our favorite,
No one knows what the
the
village is.
Greenwich Village in Manhattan, in New York, because that's where we lived for a
In
little
New
while.
York City,
Yes.
New York City, yes.
And I was, my culinary background did not start until it was with you. A can of refried beans and some, what is it? Cheese out of the bag was my burrito. But
Where is
anyway,
this story going?
Yeah, I forgot. So yeah, so there was this place this cafe down in the village that we loved to go to, and it was called the Potbelly Cafe, and it wasn't or Potbelly Stove Cafe. It's not like those Potbellies that are out there now.
Like-
This was a actual cute little restaurant. Well, they're all cute, I guess.
Who are you referring to as a potbelly? Oh, the stove.
The stove. Anyway, they made the best Monte Cristo sandwich, and that's the first time I had one. I was like, I'm gonna love this thing forever.
I know.
And they served it with latke balls, like those little latke. You get a latke pancake, but they made little balls out of them, and we've forever been trying to find that Monte Cristo that way they made it. I'm just talking.
He's really talking, isn't he?
Can't you tell I'm just trying to take up time for this sandwich to cook?
Well, and then another thing as this is coming together now, they also would serve it with a Mornay sauce, which is your favorite, which I thought that's what you were going to talk about.
Say that. Yes.
A Mornay sauce is a cream sauce that's got Gruyere cheese, and it's really amazing.
It's just cheese. More cheese.
It is more cheese, because like we said, you could always have more cheese.
Woo, Chris! You
Now,
did
is
it.
that a sandwich or is that a sandwich? That's a sandwich, my friends. Okay, now this is an appetizer. No, actually, this is an enormous sandwich. So
this makes me so happy right now.
this would go beautifully on someone's plate, but this makes a wonderful brunch. I mean, it's just heavenly.
Yay!
beautiful.
Yeah,
Now-
I don't think I can eat that whole thing.
Well,
Seriously.
That's saying something. Now, it's all. It's
Let me
all
bring that
about
towards the center so everybody can see it.
how you add little
Yes.
flavor enhancements to this. So I get a little powdered sugar, because it needs just a little more flavor, right?
That's the great thing about a Monte Cristo. It's kind of a brunchy kind of sandwich. So you can have it at brunch or you can have it at night. And so the sweetness is just a nice little touch to
Try
your brunch.
some of that. So it's
Yes.
also traditionally served with preserves.
Yes.
These are some apricot raspberry preserves that
Oh,
we got.
I've got so much sandwich.
and then
today.
also
I'm just
maple,
so happy.
maple syrup. So
Yes, just add it on there. All right, right now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a little of this. This is apricot and raspberry from a farm down the way. It is so good. So what,
Well,
Chris? Here, I'm just gonna do that.
Sorry, guys, for taking up
Oh, look.
3/4 of your day.
No, please. They're fine. They want to see me eat.
Isn't that amazing?
I'm doing a lot of dancing
I
today.
know. There's something about I've been eating these for a long time, but I'm usually like sweet and savory. I don't know, kind of
It
keep
is
them
so
apart.
good. It is
the
so
two
good.
together come
Yeah,
beautifully.
well, the ham is kind of a brunchy kind of meat,
yeah.
and so is the turkey. So it's like this wonderful thing, like when you're having brunch and you put too much syrup on your plate and it gets into everything. That's
Yeah.
what this is all about.
That's a good problem to
yes.
have.
And anyway, let me just. No, I don't have time. This is 100% Loon approved.
Well, if there was ever a recipe I was certain was going to be Loon approved, it's this one.
It's this one.
Okay,
Yep.
Get me some of this.
Yeah, put some syrup on it.
Oh,
Now
my.
you can get this recipe and many more on howtofeedaloon.com.
This is ridiculous. Oh my god! And while you're at it, go ahead and share and like and do all that fun stuff that you youngins out there do.
I don't know what they do.
On social media.
I
yeah,
know. We know what they do.
We do
do
'cause
it
we're
too.
watching. All right, I gotta take a bite. Yay!
Oh, Monty.
You do me good, Monty.
Yeah.
Well, it was,
Thank God it's not the full Monty. Hey! Now, if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's right. And if you want more recipes like this, all you gotta do is click right here.
Yeah, click and
click.
subscribe.
Yay!
So easy.
Woohoo!